Hello and welcome to a new video review. A few months back, probably a year ago, I reviewed the Saramonic Blink900 Pro, which was a great microphone and actually the microphone I use the most for my vlogs and professional videos as well. Today we have the Blink900, which is the next generation of the Blink500, and I'm really curious to see if this is going to replace the Blink500. And to test it properly, we're gonna film a short documentary about this amazing location here in north of Italy, all narrated through the Saramonic Blink900. Champoluc is a village in the commune of Aias, in the province of Aosta Valley, northern Italy. The area is known as a center for hiking, mountaineering and skiing, particularly around the Monte Rosa Massif. It's one of the three main villages in the commune of Aias, together with Antagnod and Saint Jacques. It lies at an altitude of 1,568 meters in a broad flat part of the upper Aias Valley. Champoluc and other villages and hamlets in the upper Val d'Aias were areas inhabited by waltzers during their migrations. Traces of their culture are still evident. Beautiful religious paintings from the 1600s are still decorating the houses. Come and visit Champoluc in the north of Italy. So how did it sound? Drop a comment right here straight away with your first impressions. Let's talk about the microphone itself. It's a wireless microphone system. It's the B2, the kit B2, because it comes with two transmitters and one receiver, which is on top of my camera right now. If you've seen my reviews before, I have a kind of a procedure and we start from the boxing and I'm going to tell you what you'll find with the microphone. So first of all, it's the case. This is not just the case, which is one of the best features of the microphone in my opinion, it's also the charger for your device. So you can charge the case and through the case you will charge the transmitters and the receiver. Of course you will get two transmitters and one receiver, one USB-C charging cable, two lavalier microphones, lapel mics that you can connect to the transmitters. With the lapel mic you will get the foam cover as well, the windscreen, but also you will get two windshield for the actual transmitter because the transmitter has a built-in microphone. We're going to talk about it later on. Then you will get a 3.5mm jack to connect to your smartphones, one also to connect to cameras, and you will also find two audio cable. We're going to go to the next category, which is the battery and the battery life, or the charging and so on. As we mentioned, the case, it's not just the case, but it's the way you charge your three devices. The battery life of the transmitters and the receiver is 6 hours, and through the case you can charge 3 times your devices. So basically with the full charge of the case, you can charge 3 times your devices up to 18 hours of running time. Let's talk about the size and the dimensions. They are lightweight, as you can see, and tiny as well. So the weight is approximately 35.5 grams. I mean, seriously, you can put these three devices in your pocket and go wherever you want. The size is 46 by 46 millimeters by 16. We're going to talk about the key features. And first of all, well, it's very user-friendly, which means the receiver and the transmitters are already synced, so you don't really need to do anything to sync the two, because usually you can in more advanced and professional microphones. But with these tools, easy, it's already done. Talking about distance, you can reach up to 200 meters in terms of the distance between the receiver and the transmitters. So that's really useful for documentaries, for example. And we're going to test it out and see how far we can get from our receiver. Something great, which is a professional feature, is to have the chance to record in mono or stereo. Now, by recording in stereo, you can record on 2 different channels. So you can have 2 different transmitters onto channels, and in post-production you can separate the tracks. So if you have two people to interview, you can have two different tracks and mix them up later in post-production. We're going to talk about the microphone itself now, and another cool thing is that you can use the actual transmitter as a microphone, because it has a built-in microphone right here on the top, as I'm using right now actually. If you use the built-in microphone, you can plug in your windshield, but also you can use it with the lapel mic that comes with the case. And you know what? If you want to hear the difference, let's do it right now. I'm just gonna plug in the lapel mic into the transmitter. There you go. That's how I sound with only the lapel mic, so I'm not using the built-in microphone anymore. And yeah, can you spot the difference? Either the lapel mic or the built-in microphone of the Blink900 are omnidirectional microphones, which means they can pick up the sound from all the directions. But if you want, you can connect to the transmitter also directional microphones like the one I have right here. And go and check the Saramonic website for different options. There's a lot of stuff right there. Other features are the real monitoring, so you can plug in your earphones to the receiver and hear live if the microphone is working, and just follow what your interviewee is actually saying, or if there's any technical issue. Also, there's a digital display on all the devices, again for changing the settings and so on. And the displays have auto brightness, so they adapt according to the light in your environment. Once again, this is the Blink900 B2, which comes with two transmitters. I'm pretty sure the version with one transmitter will come out. So once again, stay tuned on my channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Okay guys, this is the distance test. I'm gonna walk and see how far we can get with the signal. There we are, that's probably 100 meters, I guess. That's okay, let's walk back, because I'm tired. I just come out of COVID actually, that's why you haven't seen me for a while on YouTube, on social media. Not the best time. So I'm walking back. Hope you can still hear me. Any other features I can mention as we walk? This is my mom. We just had a nice trip today, 2 hours and a half from my place. We need some fresh air sometimes. We need to get out of the small town, the boring village life. And here I am. I can breathe cow's crap right here, which is great. Love it. It's fresh. Right, can you see me? Can you hear me? 1, 2, 1, 2. Oops. There's really a lot of crap. And there you go. So now you probably can hear me, and we're gonna switch the camera off. All right, babies. Okay, my impressions, because I used this microphone in another video actually before that you can check right here in the card. And I think it's gonna replace my Blink900, which I actually sold already. It's very practical, it's tiny, very portable. What I love is the charging case, once again, that allows me to charge my devices 3 times with a single charge. I love the versatility. I can use it with the built-in microphone, with the lapel microphone, with the directional mic. I can go quite far from the camera if I want to film documentaries, or just vlogging if I want to interview 2 people professionally. You can use it with smartphones, laptops, professional cameras. Once again, versatility is the main feature of the device. Anyway, let me know guys what you think down here in the comment tabs. I can't wait to see you in the next video as always. Click the subscribe button, the like button. I need your love, I need your help to grow this channel. Let's grow together as a community. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Yeah.